Hello everybody! Well, I don't know if you like Strictly Come Dancing, but I do. And you might have missed last season with all the excitement, Strictly Come Dancing, the maths special, but I'm here to bring it to you. And if you know Strictly Come Dancing, you'll know that the judges, Craig and Shirley and all the other judges, they give scores. And in Strictly Come Dancing, the maths special, we've got to imagine Dreadful David did an appalling dance. And he got these three scores from the judges. He got 2, 3, and 4. And Craig, the judge, says you can't use multiplication to calculate the overall score, how many altogether, because the numbers are not the same. And multiplication is when it is the same number each time. But head judge Shirley says you can use multiplication if you think carefully. What do you think? Can you see any way that we could change the numbers a little to help you and to use multiplication? Have a go. Pause the video. Can we turn 2, add 3, add 4 into a multiplication? Well, I hope you had a go. Let's have a look. Shirley is right. Head judge Shirley is right. Shirley is right. The numbers are nearly the same if we adjust them. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, what I mean is if we notice the numbers, if we look 2 and 3 and 4, well, here's 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4. If we took this 1 from the top of the 4 away, and we pulled it across to the 2, what would we have made? Well, the 4 would be 1 less, because we took 1 away. So the 4, we would adjust it, change it, because that's what we're doing. We're thinking sometimes when the numbers are nearly the same, we can adjust them. We adjust the 4 to make it 3, and the 2, well, we added the 1 on, and that's become a 3. Ah, look, we've made the same number 3 times. So if the numbers are almost the same, maybe we could adjust them to make them the same, and we've got 3 times 3 equals 9. Let's have a look. In Strictly Come Dancing, Quite Good Quentin got these 3 scores from the judges. He got 6, he got 8, and he got 7. So could we turn 6 add 8 add 7 into a multiplication? They're almost the same number. Can we adjust them in some way? Pause the video. Have a go. Okay, I hope you paused the video. I know that when I add, I can change the order. I don't have to have it 6 add 7, 6 add 8 first. I could do 6 add 7 add 8, because addition is commutative, isn't it? 6 add 7 add 8. If I take 1 from the 8 and add it onto the 6, the 8, take away 1, I'll adjust that, and that will give me 7, and then I need to add that 1 that we took onto the 6 here, and what have I got? I did make the same number 3 times. So if we're careful, when we look at multiplications, sometimes we will find that if the numbers are close to each other or close to an easy number, we can adjust them to make them a multiplication. 7 times 3 is 21, so Quentin scored 21. Okay, now imagine that there were these scores, 3 and 3 and 3 and 6. Oh. Well, I can see it's 3 times. It's the same number 3 times. What about 6? 6 is different. Hold on. I know something about 6. 6 is 3 2 times, isn't it? 2 times 3. So I could say for the 6, I'll replace it with 3 and a 3, because I looked at the numbers, I thought, could I make them the same? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Aha. That we can write as the multiplication 5 times 3, and now we're able to use our known multiplication facts. Let's have a look at this one. Ooh, this is a little bit different. I can see I'm looking for the numbers the same. 5 and 5, that's the same, and 5. Oh, and then I've got 2 and 3. 2 add 3. If I do the 2 add the 3, I'll make those into 5. Now I have managed to make the same number each time. So it's the number 5 4 times. 5 and another 5 and another 5 and another 5. How many times was it? 5. It was 5 4 times. 5 times 4. We can use this sometimes when we have bigger numbers as well. 58, 60 and 62. We don't have to adjust it only by 1. Can you see a way to make this the same number 3 times? Can you? I can. Pause the video, have a go. Well, I hope you paused the video. 62 is 2 more, isn't it, than 60, and 50, it's a gap of 2 each time. So if I take 2 away from 62, and I add them to the 58, so I did 62, take the 2 away, make 60 here, 58, add on the 2, now I've made 60, add 60, add 60, I can do 60 times 3, which I remember is 6 times 3, 6 ones times 3 is 18 ones, 60 is 6 tens, so it's 18 tens. 18 tens. Now I've got to make my 18 10 times bigger. It's 180. Okay, now this is your work for today. You can go to Google Classroom, download it. You can just copy it from here. But the most important thing that I want you to know is that please, 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 I don't want just the answer. What I really want you to do is show me that you can adjust these numbers and turn them into multiplications. So I've written here, and it's very important, please show what multiplication you can turn each addition into by adjusting them to make the same number. So level 1 is 5 questions. If that was easy, go on to level 2. If it's not so easy, that's okay. You can drop me a line in Google Classroom, or you can just think, I've done 5, I've got the idea. That's enough. Okay, right. See you later, everybody. Bye.